Did you have any clue what was going on?
I had no idea what was going on.
No idea what was going on.
I got into a pirate ship and I thought, oh, I quite like this. And then I had a little tingle down the back of my spine.
Yeah.
And I realised it was actually being sweat that's going into my arse crack.
Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
I got that on film. Day 2 at Games Eurogamer. I'm getting confused now with all of them. We got through the morning rush and crowd. Didn't spend as long in the basement as we thought we would. Now basically we're trying to make a rush to the 18th for Sarah and get on Titanfall. Dirty and Matt got a wiggle on.
Titanfall.
Dan's hungry for it. Journey's taking no prisoners. Like some of his... I believe in his culture. Hostages. No, that's not cool. We don't think like that. Maybe. All right. Wicked. See you there.
The level we put into, you start up on a boat, got no direction on how to use the boat, which is obviously great. So that was fun, but having played a little bit of 3 already, so the controls are pretty much the same. I liked they've added on the boat the ability to call of time skip, so you don't have to just sit there putting up your sail every 30 seconds. And for some reason I couldn't equip my hidden blade and kill people in the demo, so that seemed a little bit odd. Otherwise it's your standard Assassin's Creed fare really.
Are you going to buy it?
I might do. I still need to catch up on 3 first, but yeah, and Revelations in fact. So I'm still at the cliffhanger at the end of Brotherhood where Desmond stabs.
Well, spoilers. Spoiler alert.
You not played Brotherhood?
No, I haven't played any of them really. What's your thoughts on Assassin's Creed, mate?
Yeah, about a 7 out of 10. The fact that it is literally like every other Assassin's Creed, really. I had the same problems as Chris though. I didn't really get any sort of killing done in a kind of secret way.
Oh, I cannot believe you have not played Brotherhood. That is criminal.
I know, sorry.
Don't get me wrong, I feel just as bad for having not yet played Revelations and 3, but yeah, Brotherhood.
Sorry. Wait, about 2.5 hours in the queue for Titanfall. Kind of really for Jody and Dan. It seems to be that actually we might have convinced them it was worth it. What are you edging away for? You don't want to give you a review? Dan, what do you think?
9 out of 10.
Really worth it?
Absolutely amazing, yeah.
What point was it when it made the queue worthwhile?
Boom!
Big
Titan ready.
Nice. I like it.
Jump in that bad boy, shoot everything. Yeah, I've got the smart pistol as well.
I didn't like the smart pistol. Judy. No, he's walking up. He's not comfortable on camera, is he, Jude? Chris, any changes to your thoughts on Titanfall?
No, I really liked it. I changed up my classes this time. I went with the smart pistol rather than whereas last time I went with the assault rifle. I did really well with that, and this time did very well with the smart pistol. So the idea of the smart pistol is you've got your usual pistol, but then the longer you have something aimed in sight, you'll draw a line, and the line will slowly become more defined. Once the line is solid, you've got a direct headshot, even like round corners or whatever. So
multiple targets.
And you can you can trigger multiple targets at the same time. Think up to 3. Get around the island, they have a smart pistol, headshot. There you go, really good. And again, the jump mechanic is so fluid. I love it so much. It's amazing. Monkey ball concentration fake. sad English gent. Is he dead? Oh, he's aiming. He's aiming for the target. Small children about. So sorry for his lunch. I can tell. Yeah, I was you were very close. Very, very close. Hey, the master of monkey balls. Oh. Try and look cool. Right, me and Mike just collected for our 14 cover sheet. Mike, do you want to display our lovely modelling expertise? They relaxed it so much they printed off 3 copies as well, so you can see the happiness on our faces after scoring a goal. Mike, what's your reaction to our nice little photos? Are you pleased?
I feel like I look stupid because you didn't tell me not to look at the camera.
Sorry.
You could have been looking the same way.
Joe's just going for his now. Chris just said it's done. Really gave it some scream, got the volume on the
I just realised that when he said like give us a cheer, he didn't actually mean say words.
So make actual cheering noises.
Cheering noises.
Make the face. There you go.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did.
About what?
What about the orange drill? Knock yourself out.
Cheating Foundation says, although tough, orange pills have nutrients. Great quote.
Any more wonderful factoids for us, Chris?
In a minute.
Oh, lovely.
When my internet speeds up.
Oh. I'm over here being excited.
Excuse me while I get a bit of steak out.
No, go for it. Go on, hack away. Hack away. Pause while you enjoy it happening. Sometimes it can't be quantified. It's a strange natural phenomenon. It's when he gets his sleep tides. It can't be explained, it just happens. When one man starts chuckling. Oh, and I just caught it. And then the camera goes on and he clams up. Then it goes off and it starts chuckling again. Yep, look, it's off. See? There it comes.
Oh,
Bruno.
man. What kicked him off?
You good, Chris? No? Yeah? No?
What kicked him off?
In the room?
Oh, I threw a wrapper room off.
Where are we? Oh.
It's a simple thing, I suppose.
Take that away from him.
Okay, cool. Stop.
Please stop shooting. Oh, sorry, Maz. What the fuck is going on here? What's wrong with the day?
Chris, you cool?
Deep breath, brother, deep breath.
You good? Okay, we're good.
We're good.
Turn this off now. Stop being funny. All right? Yeah.
How dare you be funny?
I'm gonna turn this off now. I specifically said, stop being hilarious. Don't look in the corner for salvation. You're not gonna find it up there, my friend.
He's about to lose the muffin.
I don't get what just happened. None of that makes sense. Don't sit there, Jude. That clearly is a seat.
You chucked a rapper in your head and that's what kicked him off.
Really?
It was that.
You finished?
Yep.